Mitronam and Bandhu. Mitrulara, Bandhulara. This is South Asia Maps Education Channel. South Asia Maps Education Channel. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. Here I am to share my extensive Indology, human ecology, specific knowledge with you. The uniqueness of the entire presentations will be bringing abstract ideas into iconographic form in the format of pictures, images, maps. We are continuing as a part 12 our Devabhumi series, that is Uttaranchal series and Uttarakhand series. This is part 12. We'll be dealing with West Dhauli Ganga River Valley and Basin. There are two Dhauli Gangas. East Dhauli Ganga, that's also called sometimes Dharma Ganga, that is a tributary of Kali River or Mahakali River, or Mahakali River, Kali River or Mahakali River. Yeah. After this presentation, you will get a deeper and broader outlook of West Ganga River, which is a tributary of Alaknanda River. Remember, Ganga Mata has two major upstream tributaries, or you can say head streams. East side is Alaknanda River, west side is Bhagirathi River. They both join at a place called Devaprayag. From that onwards, it becomes Ganga River, Ganga Mata River. Easy to remember. A, B, C, D. A is Alaknanda, B is Bhagirathi, and drop the C. D is Devaprayaga, one of the five famous Pancha Prayags. And this Mitranam, this is our Uttaranchal series, and this is Uttaranchal, Uttarakhand, Devabhumi, and we are in part 12, West Dhauli Ganga River Basin and Valley. I have used the term basin and valley in this region little loosely, and most of this uh, all these presentations are posted at South Asia Maps JRD, and I have 608 presentations. You can see nearly 70 playlists, and you can go and pick and choose the list you like, and presentations are posted there. South Asia Maps JRD. Before Mitronam, in the earlier part 0A, I have posted or briefed bird's eye view of 27 physiographic regions and geographic regions, and that is a broader outlook. You can take a look at it, and today we are specifically exploring part 12 here. That brings the idea of what is physical geography and political geography. You see, the Uttaranchal used to be northern part of Uttar Pradesh, previously United Provinces of Agra and Awadh, are simply United Provinces. In the political administrative geographical map, you simply just to know the districts, adjoining regions, tehsils, taluks. That will not give much broader idea, whereas the physical outlook of the landscape, terrain, habitat will give you broader understanding of the current socio-political, economic, historical events of that region. That's called physical geography, physiography, physical geography. Here you can see the Himadri regions, that is Greater Himalayas, Himachal region, Middle Himalayas, and Sivaliks, Outer Himalayas, and you can see Tarai, Babar, and so on. Uttarakhand, Uttaranchal, on the east side we have Kali River, Mahakali River, that is the boundary Sarihad between Nepalese territory and Uttaranchali Kumaoni territory. Western side we have Pabar Tones, almost Yamuna River. These two rivers demarcate it. We have Bhagirathi, Alaknanda Ganga here, and we have Ramaganga here, and we have Gola River and Dioha River somewhere. I will show you in other map. So the Alaknanda, so these are the abbreviations. You can look at it. The important point of this presentation's Mitranam is uh, later part I will take you different three-dimensional topographic representation of this region that will give you a broader understanding. Essentially, that is the crux of this presentation, the important part of this presentation. So, if you know all these 27 or so geographic, physiographic regions very easily to tell them, this reddish area is West Dhauli Ganga River Valley here, West Dhauli Ganga River Valley. The head streams of this river are Ganesh Ganga River and Girthi Ganga River. Its mouth, where the river joins other major water bodies such as a bigger river or even sometimes a Sagar ocean itself. Alaknanda river it joins at a place called Vishnu Prayag, that is few kilometers south of Joshimath town, few kilometers north, maybe 5-10 kilometers north of Auli hill station. So if you look at this, what are the boundaries? You have to remember this side we have Mana range, uh, Mana ranges and Niti ranges, Kamet ranges, Hathi Parvat in the center, and other side you have Dronagiri ranges. And the landmarks are villages, Niti village, it is also a pass town, go to Trivishnapura, Tribut, and Bampa and Malari, Jalam, and Vishnu Prayag. And Niti Pass itself is around about 5,068 meters. Remember, the mountains have certain height, peaks are little more, and even the towns, pilgrimage center named after that peaks will be much lower. Take for example, Badrinath is the mountain much higher, a peak, whereas a Badrinath pilgrimage center north of Joshimath itself is on the valley of Vishnu Prayag or Saraswati River and Alaknanda River, and that is much lower elevation. This you have to keep in mind. The district is essentially the Joshimath Tehsil of historic Chamoli district of this region, and we will see that in detail. And first, let's look at the river. And here I am giving, see, this is the Dhauli Ganga River. Dhauli Ganga River, Girthi River is the one head stream, Dhauli Ganga River, and Ganesh Ganga River. So this is the Kamet, Mana, and Niti. These are the mountain ranges in this region. The Valley of Flowers will be here. Pulonki Ghat will be this in this region. Dhauli Ganga is formed. Dhauli Ganga also receives Rishi Ganga. Remember, some of these names will be sported given to other rivers in this province or in other provinces of Bharat also. That you have to keep in mind. So Dhauli Ganga joins, you see this is Saraswati, which is a tributary of Alaknanda, and it joins near Vishnu Prayag is the town. Joshimath will be somewhere here, Badrinath will be somewhere here, Auli will be somewhere here. So how do you zoom out? You can see this V-shaped or U-shaped, that this is the Kamet Mana Niti mountains, remember. So this is the Alaknanda river here, Alaknanda river, and this is the Mandakini river, and this is where Bhagirathi river joins. You will see other map much more intuitively. Again, we look at this river in a different representation, and Chamoli district. Yeah, the Karnaprayag means Pindar river. You can see Pindar, and Nanda Prayag, Nanda Prayag, Nandakini River, Rishi Ganga. This is the river we are talking about, Dhauli Ganga. You see Vishnu Prayag town. This is the Dhauli Ganga, other tributaries of Dhauli Ganga here. Auli will be somewhere, you can see Auli here. You can look at other representation. You should always remember the landmarks so that will be very intuitive to you. Remember, this side is the Kali River, Mahakali River, Sharda River. This side is the Tons River, then the Yamuna River, Yamuna Tons River here. So this is the Bhagirathi River. You can see the Bhagirathi, and this V-shaped. This is the Vishnu Ganga River, Alaknanda River. This is the Dhauli Ganga River, Pashchim Dhauli Ganga, West Dhauli Ganga. This is the Dharma Ganga that joins the Kali River, also called East Dhauli Ganga. So here is the Vishnu Prayag town that comes here and joins Deva Prayag. This is the Mandakini River. You can very easily remember that part. So when you are looking again, you have to always keep in the landmarks. Here, what are the landmarks here? The Manas Sarovar, Rakash Lake, and especially this is the Yamuna River, this is the Dehradun, this is the Ganga River. This is the Mahakali River. Mahakali River joins Gagra River near Balrampur, Bharech, Nanpara region. So five or four rivers, the Mahakali River. This is the Dioha River. This is the Yamuna, Ganga, Ram Ganga. And this the Gola River will be here, Gola River. This is the Dioha River. So you have to remember those landmarks, then easily you can navigate. Always remember the V-shaped one is our major point. This is the V-shaped one. So this is the Vishnu Ganga. This is the Dhauli Ganga, Pashchim Dhauli Ganga. Again, the V-shaped formation. South of Joshimath, both the rivers. You see, this is the Dhauli Ganga. You can remember. Here I can see the Badrinath mountains, Badrinath pilgrimage center, Joshimath, and near Joshimath, it will join the its mouth, Alaknanda River. You can see this is the river. The Niti Pass. You can see Niti Pass here around about 5068 meters also. So again, you zoom out, you have to remember the major landmarks. This is the Kamet Mana Niti V-shaped Alaknanda River, Dhauli Ganga River. This is not that much intuitive for this part. Excuse me. Yeah, you can see the Ganga River here. That's the Yamuna River. This is the Ganga River. Ganga River. Yeah, this is the part. You can see this is the part. The V-shaped part. This part and this part. And this is the part, sir. This is the Pindar River. This is the Mandakini River. This is the one. This is the Dhauli Ganga. This is the Alaknanda. So I have shown that what are the taluks. I will show you the taluks of this. So because this is in this region, mostly Chamoli district, the Joshimath Taluk of Chamoli district, you can see here Chamoli town itself because it is on the Alaknanda river. Joshimath means the river joins somewhere here. South of Joshimath, there is a town called Vishnuprayag. It joins here. So this is the Taluk where this river is present. That is in a sense about the interesting West Dhauliganga River, that is the Paschim Dhauliganga River, that joins Alaknanda River, which combines with Bhagirathi River and forms Ganga Mata River at Devaprayag. So Dhauliganga, first major junction of Alaknanda at Vishnuprayag. Next part, Mitronam, we look at the Alaknanda valley and basin itself. in the part 13. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. And if you like these presentations, and you can post your comments, or even you can share the information with others and subscribe the channel. See you later in other presentations, Dr. J. Reddy.